Hey there, so I've set up the excerpt here in pages post type. So excerpt only, I'll just add this as test and the site title. So in this sample page, I have content text added here in classic WordPress editor. So viewing this in the source, it works. So and this, by the way, is without using this add post type support snippet. So this is how it works out of the box with Yoast. So let's try um, adding this. Let's enable this first. This support snippet. So save, and let's see how this works. Let's reload this page, the source code page, source page. Internet's quite slow. So it reloaded. So content is still here, still taken from the content area. So, but we'll reload this because this code actually is will enable an excerpt box in the page post type. So here's our excerpt box. Oh, sorry about that. So here's our excerpt box now, powered by the snippet. So I'll just add in some random text here and then we'll save. While it's saving, let's actually remove this excerpt only. So we could replicate your setup. So everything's loaded. So let's reload the source page of the sample page. And as you can see here, it used the excerpt box and not the not and it has not taken the excerpt in the content box. So here's the content, here's the excerpt. So that is what this code is doing. So now that we know what this code is doing, so we could safely remove this. Save. Let's view the source code again. By the way, I'm not sure if that code was really working in the past, but I'm now using the latest versions. So let's reload the page. Still taking the content excerpt from the box. Let's reload this first. Reload the page, I mean the page editor, and the content box is removed. And let's view, just check the source. It's still there because it's still saved in the database. So let's enable this again and remove the or let's enable this and switch to the Pro Builder so we could see what's happening. So I have here classic text. So let's save this first to see if classic text works. So let's reload the page and check if this is loaded from the classic text, and yes, it's loaded from the classic text. L let's view the source. So description still taken from the excerpt box. So let's remove that content from the excerpt box first. Let's remove this so it won't get in the way. Update. And let's reload the page or the source code. So description is now gone, the excerpt. So it's using classic text here. It's using classic text, and it will unlikely work with the v2 text. So let's add a v2 text. So just save that. Let's just view the page fresh. Just confirm if this is using the v2 text and not so it's now using the v2 text. Let's see if it's posted in the description. So now the description is still taken from the excerpt box. I'm not sure why that is happening. Let's reload the WordPress editor. So it's because it's using v2, you don't see any text in there. If you switch this to text, you don't see any text in here. The excerpt's still here. Why? Just remove this. Oh, I see. I was opening a page with the excerpt still on. So when I updated the page, the excerpt was updated. So I'm now opening just one editor here. And let's reload the source. And the description is still not working. So if this is working, if this was working in the past, so we would need to forward this to Alex. So for the purpose of this video, we just discovered that the description only works with WordPress editor.